Here is another example on how to convert whole numbers in base 8 to base 10. Let's convert 1001 base 8 to base 10. Solution. Let's write out the number 1001 base 8. Now the first step is to number the digits starting from the last digits from 0. That is, we have 0, 1, 2, 3. And if there are other numbers there, you keep on numbering until you exhaust the digits. Let's simplify. You pick the first digit, 1, multiplied by the base, 8, raised to the power of the number you have here, 3, plus the next digit, 0, multiplied by the base, 8, raised to the power of the numbering here, 2. We do the same thing for the next digit, plus 0, multiplied by the base, 8, raised to the power of 1, plus the next digit, 1, multiplied by the base, 8, raised to the power of the numbering here, 0. Then we'll simplify further. 1 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 3. That means 8 multiplying itself in 3 places. That is 8 times 8 times 8. 8, 1, 2, 3. 3 places. 8 times 8, 64. 64 times 8, that gives us 512. So we have 8 raised to the power 3 as 512 plus 0 multiplied by 8 raised to the power of 2. 8 raised to the power of 2, that means 8 times 8, 1, 2, 2 places. And 8 times 8 is 64. So we have 64 here, plus 0 times 8 raised to the power of 1, that gives us 8, plus 1 times 8 raised to the power of 0, 1, because anything raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. So we have 1 times 512, plus 0 times 64, 0, plus 0 times 8, 0, plus 1 times 1, 1. So we had 512 plus 0, 512 plus 0, 512 plus 1, 513 base 10. And there we have our number in base 10. That is 1001 base 8. It's the same thing as 513 base 10. Thank you.